How much of a website do you think is original code? If you guess less than 30%, you are right. So this is a visualization of how much of code is actually original. So the original code is actually in this blue area over here, which is usually what you add inside your project. So the thing is, what are these other code that is not in blue? Well, we call them modules, as what you see over here, node_modules. So modules are essentially code in a program that you can use to perform different functions or tasks in order for you to create websites and organize and simplify the overall code. So let me give you an example. How do you create a random number? So essentially, it's pretty simple. What you'll do is that either you use physical sources, empirical resampling, pseudo-random generator, simulation gameplay, rejection sampling, transform methods. Simple, right? I'm just kidding. In essence, in order for you to create a random number in code, you essentially use the module called math. And the code is actually pretty simple. It's just math.random, and it will give you a random number between 0 to 1. And the full code for random is roughly essentially will look something like this, which I believe, even for myself, I don't think I'll understand because it's actually a hard algorithm or code to actually create a random number. So what we do as developers is essentially just care about what the module can help us in, which is in the example where we use the math.random. So other than random, what can the math module do? So for the math module, we can use the math.factorial to create a calculator app. Or we can use the math.exp, not experience, but exponential, to create financial models for, investing and anything related to finance. And maybe you can use math.pow, not prisoner of war, but power of, and we can use it in game development because game development requires a lot of physics. So essentially, modules are code in program that you can use in order for you to do certain things. And this helps us to create applications way faster with less complicated code.